Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce to you our Medisand imported from Korea, a special diagnostic bead. There are two types of Medisand. This is used for the detection of hematuria, and this is used to detect the alkaline urine in your cats. First thing first, why do we have to detect blood in urine or pH of alkaline urine in cats? Some of the possible causes of hematuria in cats are due to the bladder or kidney stones or crystals cause blood to be found in their urine. Certain cats after neutered 1 week still have blood found in their urine, hence owner can bring their cats for further medical checkup after using our beads. The normal pH of cat urine is either have pH 7 or weakly acidic. If this diagnostic bead detected your cat's urine is alkaline, there might be possibility your cats have lower urinary tract diseases or bladder inflammation. I would like to clarify that our product is not used to diagnose any medical conditions of your cats. Our product is used for simple disease checks at home. Hence, further medical checkup with vets should be carried out to determine your cat's disease. Before I begin my demonstration, users of Medisand will have to scan this QR code on our packaging to download the Medisand app for detection of the beads level. Inside our Medisand box, we will provide one checking card, one instruction paper, and 25 grams of hematuria beads. First, pour 5 liters of bentonite cat litter with 25 grams of hematuria or alkaline Medisand in liter box and mix well. We recommend using pure bentonite without flavor only, and other cat litter is not recommended because it works well with bentonite cat litter only. After your cat urinated in the litter box, the alkaline Medisand will turn into pink color if your cat urine is alkaline. If your cat urine consists of blood, this hematuria Medisand bead will turn into blue color. If your cat's urine does not consist of any blood or neither alkaline, the beads will not change color. When your beads change color, you will have to take one bead from the litter box and put it onto the checking card without opening the plastic so you can reuse it the next time. Next, open the Medisand app in your phone and take a picture of the result using the Medisand app. The result will show the intensity of alkalinuria or hematuria of your cat's urine. I will show the example of the results beside me. For your information, the result of our Medisand is accurate if the beads contacted with urine are checked within 4 hours. 25 grams of beads can be used up to 2 weeks only to avoid inaccurate result. We also have Medipad for dogs, and I will explain further on our product in the next video. If you have any enquiries related to our Medisand product, you call us on the contact number below here. We are pleased to assist you. Thank you for watching my video.